Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to forward an invoice on the Invoice Maker application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that you should tap on the Invoices button down below in the left side corner of the screen. And after that, tap on the invoice. And then you should tap on the send to button in the left side corner down below. And after that, you should tap on either send via email, or you have the chance to click on this share button down below, and here you can send it via AirDrop, Messages, Messenger, Slack, Gmail, and so on. As you can see, it will be inserted as a PDF file. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.